Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily send GIFs on WhatsApp using your iPhone. Alright, let's dive in. To get started, open up your WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Now, select the conversation to which you want to send a GIF. I'll just open a conversation with myself for this demonstration. Next, look for the text input area in the chat. Right next to it, you'll find an icon that looks like a small magnifying glass. Tap on that icon to access the GIF library. Once you're in the GIF library, you'll see a selection of trending and popular GIFs. You can scroll through these to find something that suits your conversation. If you have a specific GIF in mind, tap on the search icon and a search bar will appear. Enter your search term, and WhatsApp will show you relevant GIFs. Now, let's choose a GIF. Tap on the GIF you want to send, and it will appear in the text input area. You can also add a caption if you'd like. Once you're ready, hit the Send button. And there you have it. Sending GIFs on WhatsApp with your iPhone is that simple.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.